Hi guys, I'm Johan and today I'm going to unbox a special box from Playboy Play School, and it's for Easter. Let's see what's inside. Ta-da! Wow! I think these are the prizes for the game. And this is a bubble maker. See? Let's put this one's for the cat, a light, and this one's a rainbow screen. Wow. Headband, a fan. Ooh. Wow, this is frisbee. This is like a top. Let's go to the next thing. Whoa. Chocolate, marshmallows. Milk chocolate flavor hot cocoa mix. Wow. We're going to make milk chocolate with marshmallows and green sprinkles. Whoa. Let's see what's inside this. These are egg papers, egg molds, pink, blue. Wow, I don't know if this one's indigo or blue. Or purple. Darn. Pink. What's this? Wow, the colors here are yellow, orange, purple, and green. There are hats of like a bunny for tops. This one is a egg lay game. One for the whole family. Let's see this. Are little eggs dancing? What's this? Wow. Chicken, bunny, egg. Big banana. Egg, flowers. 8 and A, PDYS, P R I U, and V and I. This is a basket and flowers. This one has a banner for Easter. Cool. Watercolor egg painting. I think I know what we're going to do with this. We're going to paint it with watercolors. we're going to do the same. Whoa. Ooh. Nice. Another ice spy. Ice spy. Names of ice. Ta-da! I think we're going to connect them. Wow. How the disciples find their way to the Last Supper? It's a maze. Pattern sets. You can find the 4 patterns below. Will you find them across and down? Wow. Read the sentence below, find the correct picture that matches, and then write the number in the box. And next to the sentence in the correct order that the event took place during Easter week. Whoa. What's this? It's a basket instructions. Cut out all the pieces. Fold the basket in half and cut along the dotted line. Fold the gray tabs. Insert the Easter eggs as shown. Glue the eggs to the back of the basket front side. Glue the bow and the handle as shown. Glue the rest of the eggs to the basket as shown. This one. Wow, so many eggs, ribbon, and this one's the basket. Wow, we're going to make so many. 2. And another one. Boy headband, paper craft instructions. Cut out all the pieces, fold and glue the T-strip as shown. Glue the strips together as shown. Check to see if the pointy end can be inserted into the other end. Move this part to the head. Glue the head to the band. Use hair bow for a different look. Wow. Here. Wow, cute. Boy and girl. We'll make so many. And happy Easter. What's this? Whoa, so fluffy. Looks so fluffy. See? I think that's all inside the box. It also comes with a party in Zoom. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to click here to subscribe. Bye. Advance Happy Easter.